Collective nouns and animals. Collective nouns are names used for a collection of people or things. They are used for groups of animals too. You might be familiar with some collective nouns for animals, like how a group of cows is called a herd, or a group of birds is called a flock. But some collective nouns used for animals are rather unique. Let's take a look at a few. Sometimes specific species of birds are referred to by something other than a flock. For instance, a group of parrots is called a pandemonium, and a group of owls is called a parliament. Flightless birds are called by special collective nouns too. A group of emus is called a mob, a group of ostriches is called a wobble, and a group of penguins is called a rookery. However, when penguins are all floating tightly together on the sea, they are sometimes called a raft. Additionally, different groups of insects are referred to by special collective nouns. A group of dragonflies is called a cluster, a group of gnats is called a cloud, and a group of butterflies is called a kaleidoscope. Collective nouns can sound a little bit creepy. A group of bats is called a colony, a group of rats is called a plague, and a group of crows is called a murder. However, some collective nouns for animals sound fun and silly. A group of monkeys is called a mission, and a group of hyenas is called a cackle. But what if we mixed all the animals together? What would we call that group? A zoo!